The following segment is sponsored by Listerine. October is National Dental Hygiene Month, a good time to think about your daily oral care routine and a positive impact a beautiful smile can have on your life. Joining us today is a celebrity dentist who knows a lot about beautiful smiles. Welcome to the show, Dr. Catrise Austin. Great to see you.
Oh, thank you so much for having me on your show today.
Of course. Okay, can we all have teeth like celebrities? I mean, come on.
You sure can. I mean, it's easier than you think. Hey, here's the secret. The secret to a celebrity smile is having clean, healthy teeth. And that's why I am so excited to join you today to share my 5-step smile workout plan. We want to work out those smiles like we work out our total bodies for a healthier smile.
Okay, I love it. Why is good oral health so important?
Good oral health is so important because it can overall have a positive impact on your life. I mean, when you feel good about your teeth and your smile, you're going to feel good about yourself. You're going to have a boost of confidence and overall be happier. So my goal today is to get you guys in the rhythm and a routine so that you can have just feel the power of a smile.
Oh, I love it. Okay, walk us through your smile workout plan. What is it?
All right, 5 steps. Brush, floss, rinse your mouth, clean your tongue, and be consistent. Step 1, you want to brush twice a day for 2 whole minutes with a soft or an electric toothbrush. Step 2, you want to floss in a vertical motion, cleaning the sides of your teeth and getting rid of that hidden bacteria below the gums. Step 3 is super important. You want to rinse your mouth. When you brush, you're only reaching 25% of your mouth, and that's not good. So you want to incorporate using an effective mouthwash like Listerine Cool Mint Antiseptic Mouthwash. Hey, you're going to use it twice a day for 30 seconds. It's going to virtually clean 100% of your mouth and give you 24-hour germ protection and kill 99.9% of those germs that can lead to bad breath, plaque buildup, and gingivitis. Step number 4, clean your tongue. There's hidden bacteria there, and be consistent. When you do this each and every day and get into the routine, you're going to find it easier, and you're actually going to probably like it.
I love those steps. Okay, why is this so important to kill germs in our mouth, Catrise?
All right, we want to kill the germs because we don't want you to get gum disease. And so follow this workout plan, use Listerine, and you're going to be off to a healthier smile. And if you want more tips, go to Listerine.com and you can follow me on Instagram at Dr. Catrise Austin.
If we can have a smile like yours, then I am in. Catrise, thank you for joining us today. Thank you for all the tips. Great to see you.
Bye.